Today they're opening the Scruff Surprise Vet Rescue. The first one, we have this bread pillow.
Let's open it together.
Wow, what'd you get there?
Did you know,
so
guys,
opened up.
that blue and pink make purple?
Yeah. Oh, it has like a little tape on it.
That's Band-Aids.
And it's in a blanket, I think. Oh, there's another one. It's in a blanket.
Oh, I got a little accessory in here. Wait, I don't know what it is. Probably an accessory. Oh,
What is it? It just looks like a little ball of fur.
Yeah, that's her little pet. It's curled up. Oh, I think mine's a unicorn.
It has a horn.
Come out, unicorn.
Oh, it's a little birdie.
There you go. Wait, let me open mine to see. Oh, I've got the unicorn.
That's like a sparkle dragon. Dragon corn. What's in here?
Well, Laura, open your
What is this?
package. You dropped yours.
You want to open it?
It's like a little comb.
Cute.
So
And this is where they can live when you're not taking care of them. They can go back inside their little house and their little carrying case.
So you can brush your little pet out.
You might want to wipe. Maybe the little bird has red cheeks. You can wipe the cheeks off because it shows here that you can wipe something off with a wet cloth. We have a little washcloth with some water.
I have a little washcloth with water. Let's see if it changes colors or anything. Wipe it.
Are the cheeks coming off or no? Are there little red spots?
No.
Okay. Is there anything to wipe off on this one? Oh yeah, this one has stars all over its face. It has to wipe the stars off. It's like the stars starting to fade out. Because the star's covering the eye. Okay, girls. How about you open that one together? It's the last one.
Wait for Laura.
Okay, you can open the plastic and you get to open the little vet bag.
Where's my bag? Oh, mine has little seashells on it.
Oh.
Maybe mine's like a little water dragon.
Yeah, I think yours is a little water dragon.
My turn.
Okay, now you open that one.
Blanket. Open the little bag.
Okay, you want to open that or not?
No,
Okay, and give this one to her.
Wait.
Okay, open the bag.
What did I get? We got, a little heartbeat.
Oh, a little stethoscope.
I got it for an ummy. Oh no, where'd the little
Say, boom,
thermometer
boom,
go?
boom, boom, boom.
Laura, where'd you put your thermometer?
She's making a noise.
Where's the
What is that, a little sheep? It's a cute little sheep. She's making the little heartbeat noise. Do you hear that little noise she's making? So it looks like they got a cute little sheep. Even has curly hair. And it has a heart on his belly. Here's the collector guide of all the ones you can get.
I got mine.
They got penguin.
Is mine rare because it's sparkly?
Here's all the ones they got.
Is mine rare because it's sparkly?
Oh wow, you can even get families. And remove the fleas. For instance, here's one where you can rub away fleas. This one is warm a broken heart. If the heart's broken, you can heal it by just rubbing it. And you might have to wash off if there's spots or puke. And wipe away the tears. Here's the heart. Let's see what happens if we rub it. Does anything happen? Nothing happened. It does look like it's broken at a certain angle. Rescue baby pets? Nothing.
No!
What did I have done? So here's all the babies. Oh, the cute little ones. My favorite is the sparkle dragon. And then the parrot, and then the sheep. What do you like the best?
Mine, the dragon.
Which one you like the best? Do you like the dragon or the parrot? Or the sheep?
Which one?
You like the parrot the best?
Yeah.
Like this toy?
Yeah.
Would you want to get this toy again?
Yeah.
Who wants more of these toys?
Me.
Yeah. One of the cute features is that they can just fold right up, and your child can just like put them in their pocket and hide in them like as a little good luck charm when they're going to school or they're not with you. I think they're pretty adorable. She's wrapping up the baby. She wrapped up her baby in a little ball and wrapped it and closed it up. So it's ready to go.
Please press like if you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe.